Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Warm brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the brush cap. Now I can remove the brush. This tool has a small metal plate that goes over the brush, so I want to be sure to remove them so I can reuse it. Now I can install the new brush. I'll place the metal plate over the brush and then align the brush with the brush holder. I'll push it into place and compress the spring. Then I'll reinstall the brush cap. I'll place the cap over the brush and tighten it with the screwdriver. I like to turn it backwards until I feel the threads engage, and then tighten it up. Now repeat this process on the other side. And that's how easy it is to replace the carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.